Some actors chase fame, others let their work speak. Bai Jingting belongs to the second category. By 2026, he is not just another popular C drama face, he is a respected actor, a smart businessman, and a man who plays it cool while winning big. No loud scandals, no fake hype, just clean success. So let's slow it down and take a real look. Bai Jingting's lifestyle 2026. His real name is Bai Jingting. His fandom name is Bai Ji, which translates to White Dove. His nicknames are Timmy Bai, Shao Bai. Professionally, he wears many hats: actor, model, singer, entrepreneur, and brand collaborator. Personal life. He was born on 15th of October 1993. Age as of 2026 is 32 years old and honestly in his prime. His birthplace is Huairou District, Beijing, China. His hometown is Beijing, China. Nationality Chinese. Religion not publicly disclosed. His zodiac sign is Libra. Balanced, thoughtful, and naturally charming. His Chinese zodiac is Rooster. Blood type unknown. His fandom color is blue. Physical stats. He is standing around 183 centimeter, 6 feet tall. His weight is 68 kilograms. Hair color is black. Eye color is dark brown. Body type fit and muscular physique. He has a calm, elegant presence that feels effortless. Education and mindset. Education. He studied at Capital Normal University's Music College, majoring in recording. Bai Jingting studied recording arts before entering the entertainment world. He skilled on the piano, achieving a grade 10 in the non-professional category. So acting wasn't just luck, it was a choice. He is known in the industry for being focused, prepared, emotionally intelligent. People who worked with him say he is professional, respectful, and low key sharp. In simple words, he's got his head on straight. Early life and background. He didn't come from money or industry connections. His father worked as a taxi driver. His mother was a homemaker. Simple life, strong values. But here's the thing, his parents always had his back. agency. Bai Jingting established his own studio in 2017, named Bai Jingting Studio. Career. He is active from 2014 to onward. Debut years from 2014 to 2017. Bai Jingting made his acting debut in 2014 with the youth web drama Back in Time. He quickly caught attention with roles in The Women Girl 2015, Yesterday Once More 2016, hit 100 million views in just 3 days. Rush to the Dead Summer in 2017. Breakthrough Era from 2018 to 2022. Things leveled up fast. His performance in Ordinary Glory earned him serious respect. You Are My Hero in 2021. Over 600 million views. Reset in 2022. Crossed 2 billion views. New Life Begins in 2022. This wasn't hype anymore. This was nationwide domination. Critics loved him. Audience trust him. Brands started lining up. Mega success from 2023 to 2025. By 2024, Bai Jingting was officially primetime royalty. Always on the move. 2024 broke viewing records. In 2025, The First Frost hit a 10,000 hit index on Yoku in just 48 hours, a historic milestone. By now, he wasn't just popular, he was elite. 2025 to 2026 Project Direction. Criminal Police Moment. The Prime of Life. By 2025 and 2026, Bai Jingting is clearly shifting towards mature modern dramas, high quality scripts, realistic male characters. Awards and stats. Appeared on Forbes China 30 Under 30. Ranked repeatedly on the China Celebrity 100 list. Won titles like Most Influential Actor, Breakthrough Star, Outstanding Leading Actor, and Charming Icon Award. Business and brand empire. He also founded his lifestyle brand Goodbye, featuring apparel, footwear, cafe concepts, with pop-ups in Shanghai, Paris, Singapore. His brand vibe screams clean, classy, and global. He's also been a brand ambassador for Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Tom Ford, Montblanc, L'Oréal Paris, Oppo, and KFC China. That's not random, that's top tier credibility. Hobbies. He loves basketball playing and piano and music. Relationship. As of 2026, Bai Jingting is officially single. He keeps his private life on lock, No messy headlines, no drama farming. Net worth. Estimated net worth as of 2026 is 8 to $10 million. Interesting facts. Bai Jingting lives clean but luxurious. Owns properties in Beijing and Shanghai. Drives luxury cars, including a Mercedes Benz G Class. Big sneakerhead, rare Air Jordans on deck. Bai Jingting's lifestyle in 2026 proves one thing: you need patience and belief in your craft. You don't need noise to win. You need consistency, clarity, and self respect. By 2026, Timmy Bai didn't just make it, he earned it. If you vibe with this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.